My name is Chetan Machiwal, pursuing my management studies from International Management Institute, New Delhi. The reason behind that I attending this training of Power BI is that it gives me an edge and to strategize my marketing strategies and to visualize the data and as well as provide me tool for publish it as well. There is some more features added to it, which is giving you an edge over tools like Tableau, SAP Lumira, and other similar software like that. It started from the cleaning of data first, and then it helps you to consolidate the data, and as well as it helps you to streamline the data with visualization. The trainer was very good, and the most good thing about him is that he is very interactive and very explain all the things very in a very easy manner. Yes, I would like to recommend to all of those who want marketing as their core subject.